Everyone, this is Smart and we are all welcome to the Smart View. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can bridge your coin, your token for Binance Smart Chain to the Prima chain. As we all know, the Prima chain transaction is very fast and it has a low transaction fee. So this video is for everyone. If you want to convert your USDT from Binance Smart Chain to Prima chain, if you have a project that is built on Binance Smart Chain and you want to launch your project on the Prima chain, you don't need to go to Redmi and start creating a code from scratch. You can divide your supply and move part of your supply here to bridge it from your Binance Smart Chain to Prima chain. Then you can list on any exchange, or you can also list it on Prima Swap. So I'm going to be taking us how we can do this briefly. I've done some, and yeah, so I'm going to be taking us how to do it. So the first thing is I'm going to close this page right now so that we can select a token to bridge. So let me go to my main wallet. So this is my wallet. Let's select which token we should bridge. Yeah, let's select which token we should bridge. Okay, let's bridge this Corgi Dodge. Let me see how many. Okay, I have 1.2 USD BNB as gas fee. Please note you are going to pay gas fee in BNB. So let's bridge this Corgi Dodge. I hope my gas fee will be enough to bridge it. So this Corgi Dodge is a BAP20 token. So let's go and get the contract address so that we can bridge it. So let's go to Binance Explorer. Then we'll copy the contract address here, and we are going to use the contract address to search for the token. So this is it right now. So yeah, I'm going to advise everyone, if you want to bridge, if you want to use it, either use your Trust Wallet or use your MetaMask so that you can connect to each coin or token easily. So just put the coin you want to bridge in that wallet or the token, then you are good to go. So now I'm going to go to my browser since we've copied the contract address. So the website for the bridge is bridge.prmscan.org. I have it right here, but let me type it also. Prmscan.org. So I'll just click on done for it to roll. So the next thing we need to do is, you see this Ethereum icon right now, you click on it, then change it to Binance Smart Chain because we are operating on Binance. Yeah, those using Trust Wallet should be familiar with this. So after changing to Binance, the next thing I'm going to do is to wait for the site to load. Yeah, the loading might take a bit of time because of my network is kind of very slow this morning. So yeah, so you can see this is bridging from Prima chain to Binance Smart Chain. Yes, the same way you can bridge from Binance to Prima, you can also bridge from Prima chain to Binance chain. So let's change this by clicking on this. So you can see you are bridging from Binance Smart Chain and onto Prima chain. So this is what we are doing, bridging from Binance Smart Chain to Prima chain. So ensure that the Binance Smart Chain is the one on top and the Prima chain is the one below. So the next thing we have to do right now before we proceed is to connect our wallet. To connect your wallet, you are going to see a three dash at the top right corner of this page. This is it here. This dash, you can click on this X to cancel it. You can click on the dash to bring it on. So let's click on this three dash and you are going to see connect wallet. Just click on the connect wallet. So if you are doing this for the first time, it's going to ask you to approve, and you approve. You can see my wallet has been connected automatically. So I'm going to click on this X at this top right corner as well. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, since my wallet has been connected, the next thing we have to do right now is to search for the coin we want to bridge. So now to search for it, under you can see this swap BNB. You can click on this arrow here for this swap BNB. So once you click on the arrow, it's going to show you some coin that are already here which you can select from. Let's say you want to bridge USDT from BAP20 to Prima chain. So if you want to bridge from Binance Smart Chain to Prima chain, you select USDT and you can see it's going to load, and you can see bridging from BAP20 to Prima chain. So once you put your USDT here, you are going to get equivalent in Prima chain. It is very easy. So this is very interesting. So yeah, so now I'm going to take us on how we can bridge if the coin or token we want to bridge is not on this list. You can see here on the right hand side you can see this custom. This custom is for you to input the token address of what you want to bridge. So if you search for your token is not on the list, you can click on this custom here, and this custom here is going to ask you to input your the contract address of the token you want to bridge. So the contract address of the token you want to bridge, like we copy a contract address that time, if you remember. So just paste the contract address here, and automatically the token symbol and decimal will be filled. So you just click on add token, and that should be done. So that is it. So now you can see we are bridging this Corgi Doge from Binance Smart Chain, and we are going to receive the Corgi Doge on Prima Chain. So what you need to do right now is to put the amount. You can see my balance here. I have 110,000 of this. So let me say I want to bridge just 10,000 Corgi Doge. So just 10,000. Yeah, that is 10,000. Okay, so I'm bridging just 10,000. So what you need to do is to click on unlock. When you click on unlock, it's going to bring a transaction call for you to approve the first transaction so that it can go through. So the transaction fee is very low, so I'm going to approve this. After approving this, I'm approving it right now. Okay, now so once it has unlocked, you are going to see, and we are going to proceed to the next one by clicking on request. So you can see putting this 10,000 Corgi Doge is going to give me 9,990 because of the percentage fee. So now, since I've clicked on unlock and the unlock has done its own part, so the next thing is to click on this request. So when you click on this request, it's going to show you that, okay, for 10,000 this, you receive this, and the bridge fee is 0.1%. Please confirm you want to do this. So the next thing you have to do is to click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to ask you to confirm another transaction, which is also $0.4 as gas fee. So I think that is very nice. So after that, you can see it's collecting signature, and within couple of minutes this will be done. So this will be done very quick and very fast, and you are going to have, you can see, claim your token. Please switch the network in your wallet to Prima Chain. That means after switching your token completely, so now your token is already in your wallet. So this is like a confirmation transaction that yes, your token is in your wallet. So once you receive this, then your bridging is now has gone through. So what I need to do is to close this. So after closing this, let me allow this to load, and you can see yeah, on this, the next thing I just need to do right now is let me go to the Prima Scan, and from the Prima Scan, I'm going to get the contract address for this Corgi Doge. So after getting the contract address for this Corgi Doge, then I'm going to use it to search for the token on my Trust Wallet. Yeah, so this is me on Prima Scan. So what we want to do right now is to search for the token we just bridged. So I'll go to all so that we can copy the contract address. So from here, let's search, or let me just search here and write Corgi, I think Corgi. Okay, yeah, that is perfect. You can see right now, this is it, this Corgi Doge from BSC. So once I click on this Corgi Doge token, so that it's going to give us what is it called, this is going to bring the full information. Yeah, so this is my 990. That is the total supply of the Corgi Doge right now. You know, I am the first that bridges token, and you can see the total supply is 990 Corgi, because of that is the amount that is being bridged into this contract. So once more people are bridging, the balance will be adding to this, and you can see this is the contract address. Yeah, so I'm just going to copy this contract address, copy link to text. So I'm going to copy this contract address. So I'm going to use this contract address to search on my Trust Wallet so that we can see the Corgi in Prima Chain on my Trust Wallet. So this is it. You can see how sweet and how beautiful this is. So now you can see PRC20, just only one order. That is how you bridge. Very simple. So let me go to my Trust Wallet. I'm going to okay, let me approve my Trust Wallet. So yeah, so now I'm going to cancel this so that it can take me back to the wallet side. So right now let's search for the Corgi. So to search for the Corgi, the same way we used to do, we click on this on the right hand corner, we click on this plus button to add the coin. So from this network, you are going to change this network to Prima. If you haven't added PRM to your network on Trust Wallet, I believe you should check my previous video on how to do that. So you can use, please, you can use MetaMask for this also. I'm just using Trust Wallet. You can use any wallet for this. So let me click on this Prima to change to Prima network. Then the contract address, I'll just click on paste since I've copied it already. So after clicking on paste, okay, let me check if the contract address is accurate. Yeah, after clicking on paste, it should bring the name, but if that, we can fill up the information ourselves. The name is Corgi Dodge. Yeah, I think Corgi Dodge, and I think the symbol is Corgi. I'm going to confirm this also, and the decimal, let me go to, okay, let me check here. So the decimal is 8. This name, the name is Corgi Dodge and the symbol is Corgi. The decimal is 8. So let me put the decimal. Yeah, the decimal is 8. So after doing this, you just click on save on Prima network. So now let's see if we are going to see our 9,000. Wow, you can see this is it, 9,990 Corgi. This is it, PRM Prima network. So this is the main Prima chain. It is there in your balance. You can, let me go back and see again. This is Corgi Dodge. This is it on Prima chain. So I'm using this Trust Wallet because a lot of people find difficult to do things on Trust Wallet. So you can know how easy this is. It is very easy if you use your MetaMask. It is very easy if you use your Trust Wallet. You can use any wallet. If you want to know how to add network to Trust Wallet, also check the video. I have a video for it, how to add Prima chain on MetaMask also. There is also a video for it. So this is a video on how to bridge from Binance Smart Chain to Prima chain. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned to this channel. If you are facing any challenging, put a comment in the comment section below and I'm going to attend to you. So once again, thank you, stay safe, we meet again next time. Bye for now.